Conservation of forests. It is very important to conserve forests because life on the earth depends on forests in more than one way. Following methods can be adopted to conserve forests. Overgrazing by animals in the forests should be stopped. Large-scale cutting of the forest trees must be stopped. If it is very essential to cut a few trees, plant more trees in their place. Afforestation means planting of trees. Massive afforestation work should be undertaken to cover large areas of land with appropriate trees. Every piece of barren land should be planted with trees. Weeds, damaged trees, crowded trees, diseased trees, etc. should be removed. Wildlife. Plants, animals and microorganisms which live in nature or are present in their wild natural habitat constitute wildlife. Tigers, lions, elephants, bears in dense forests, crocodiles and whales in natural water bodies, and trees, herbs and shrubs in forest are examples of wildlife, but cultivated plants and domesticated animals are not. Wildlife biodiversity is a priceless treasure of our planet because of its unique geographical and climatic topographical variations. India is very rich in its wildlife diversity. Wildlife provides source material for breeding improved varieties of crops, plants, and animals. Scientists and medical researchers use wild animals as research material on which final experiments are performed before their actual application to human beings. Wildlife is an essential component of various food chains, food webs, biogeochemical cycle and energy flow through different trophic levels. Thus, the various services provided by the wildlife are vital for the sustenance of life on the earth. Causes of depletion of wildlife. Let us understand the causes that threaten the existence of many plant and animal species. Some of the major causes of loss of wildlife are as follows. Increase in human population and use of land for agricultural and urban development have led to a large-scale destruction of forests. This causes loss of habitat of wildlife. Pollution of air, water and land adversely affects many plants and animals. Climatic changes, example global warming, due to natural and human-made reasons have also forced species to adapt to the changing environment. Those that are not able to adapt to changing environment die. Killing of animals for their meat, skin and other body parts. Natural species in danger of extinction. Extinction refers to disappearance of species. A species once lost cannot be retrieved. In simple words, the species of plants and animals which have already been lost are called extinct species. For example, the entire population of dodo or Didus ineptus, a unique bird of Mauritius, was killed by natives for food in 17th century and the bird became extinct. The International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, IUCN, has identified and categorized the species of plants and animals which are under the possible or imminent danger of becoming extinct in the near or distant future into three groups. Endangered species. The species which are not likely to survive if the causative factors continue to operate and are in danger of extinction are called endangered species. Vulnerable species. These are species that are climbing but still have sufficient number of individuals in their natural habitat. However, in near future, they might represent the category of endangered species in case the causal factors for their decline are not removed. Musk deer, sambar, spotted deer and black buck are a few examples of vulnerable species. Rare species. These are localized in certain geographical areas and exhibit scattered population considering the global environment. Thus, their overall population in the world is small. In future, these species may enter into the category of vulnerable or endangered species. Indian elephant, wild buffalo, and Asiatic wild ass are a few examples of this category. Protected species of Indian wildlife. The following wild animals have been enlisted as threatened and protected species in India. 1. Musk deer. 2. Bharat swamp deer. 3. Duck. 4. Horned pheasant. 5. Monal pheasant. 6. Great Indian bustard. 7. Indian gazelle or chinkara.